My name's Kobe.
I'm Jordan.
We're both brothers. We're gonna try to start this YouTube channel. I think we both do some pretty cool hunting stuff, and we got some pretty good ideas. Try to bring to y'all, and interested in seeing how this works out for us. And hopefully y'all enjoy the videos that we bring to y'all. And if y'all have any ideas, just leave them in the comments.
Yep. Yeah. We hunt about 2-3 times a week, and we do some cool footage on our thermals when we remember to record. But hopefully we can get some cool videos out there for you guys. And we're here at a spot a little late, I think, so we're gonna get going, and hopefully you stay till the end.
3, 2, 1.
All right, guys. So we just got done with our first sit. Had about 15, maybe 20 hogs come in. Jordan made a good shot on this hog right here. Dropped it, and I don't know what happened. Should be 2 dead hogs, and I think when I was doing the countdown, I think I might have turned a little bit to the right and maybe hit it a little far back. But I did just get this new suppressor in. May have to check my zero a little bit better than I did the other day. I'm gonna shoot at this hog and test it right there. So we'll play that video back for you and see for yourselves. You gonna watch? In the mouth?
It looks like it.
I'm gonna aim just above the ear. Y'all probably just saw me taking 2 more shots at this hog. It looked like I hit the same spot both times, but if y'all wanna let me know what y'all think in the comments, if I need to maybe try to re-sight it in or if it looked good to y'all. I think it looked good, but just give me y'all's opinion on it.
All right, on our way to fill some feeders up from this place we just shot that hog at. We got 2 feeders to fill up, so we're gonna feed these up real quick, and then gonna go to another place and make maybe 1 coyote stand out there and probably call it a night. It's a weeknight, and I have to work tomorrow. Kobe don't. Somehow we only hunt on the nights that he's off the next day. So see y'all when we get there.
Yeah, straight tail, it's a coyote.
All right, I got it.
It's gonna wind us.
Got him. Bad first shot.
That other one ran around us. I didn't see it run off though. I didn't even see that second one.
Oh wait, where did it go? I didn't. It came around us?
No, the one you shot, I didn't see that one.
Oh, no shit?
I was on this one that was running that way.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, you're good. You're
Fuck,
good.
he was hauling, at your truck.
I was watching the first one that came down.
Oh, I thought.
And this one broke right.
Oh.
And I was like, that's why I was saying straight tail. And then I just heard pow, pow. Did you double?
No, I missed him the first. I hit him the first time, but I shot him on the run. Huh?
Oh, no, it's like across the road. It's coming in. See it running? 2 of them. See it? See it?
Nope, 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 nope.
See it now? To the right, to the right.
You're right. Okay, I see him. They're gonna bust us. They're straight downwind of us.
Yeah, keep going left, keep going left.
Yeah, no, they got us.
Running away.
Yeah, he got us.
Yeah, our wind's blowing that way, right?
Yeah, I mean, right at him. Hey, right there. Right here, right here. It's downwind of us. It's coming right at us. See it? He's running
Yep,
across
yep,
us.
yep, yep,
Tell me when you're ready. I'll stop him.
yep.
Where did that second one come from?
All right, guys. We just got done with our, I guess, first stand. Probably our only stand for the night.
Yeah.
But we ended up, when we pulled in, we jumped 2, maybe 3 coyotes, and we tried to get a little bit to the right, try to get downwind of them, but they winded us pretty fast. Jordan turned on the Fox Pro, and they came running.
Yeah. Like this is our first time ever calling out here. Man, as soon, like he said, as soon as we got in the field, jumped them. And I was like, I'm just going to throw this out here. I doubt they're going to come back. But these coyotes must have never heard a call before, because they were, I don't know if you can't see it, but coming from that way, I mean, I had the call right here next to the truck, and they just beeline to it. One broke off to the right that I never saw. So I took this one to the left. Made I guess a bad first shot, but I hit it on the run. Cooled off a little bit, and then we moved to where get us a better wind. So we're gonna keep calling, and called in one from
Yeah, right
that
in front of us.
came from back over there, and got it stopped while we were shooting at that one. One from out of nowhere come running across from the other direction, but we didn't make a good shot on that one. But
Almost got it.
Almost,
Shot
yeah.
it on the run right behind his back.
Almost. But yeah, first time ever here, and we called in 6 coyotes in, I don't know, 20, 25 minutes.
Yep.
Just playing distress sounds. I didn't even get to the coyote call yet. You know, it came right out. But hopefully y'all enjoy the little thermal clips we put up, and hopefully you stay to the end of this video and like, comment, subscribe to all of our stuff. You know, we have Facebook and Instagram too, so follow us there, and we'll post some pictures there probably way before I get this edited. So
Yep.
see y'all next time.
Leave comments too if y'all are interested in what we're running. We might make a video on our setups and everything we use if y'all are interested. So just leave some comments, and we'll make that video for y'all.
Alrighty. See y'all later.